Hey, gang, it's your guy, Stand Tall Steve. And if you're planning to speak at an educational conference or even thinking about submitting a proposal, this one is for you. Now, speaking at a K-12 conference is an awesome way to grow your reputation, build your credibility, and really make an impact in the world of education if you do it right. So let's break this all down. Here are my tops do's and don'ts of speaking at conferences. So you can shine on the stage and not be that speaker everyone forgets by lunch. Number one, the do's of conference speaking. Do know your audience. You're not speaking to a room, you're speaking for them. Now, understand, are they teachers? Are they school leaders? Are they counselors? Know who's in the seats. It could be a mix of all of them. Whoever it is, make sure you're tailoring your language and examples and the tone to their world. Do solve a specific problem. If your session doesn't help people solve something, they will check out and start scrolling social media. You know they will. So you need to be clear on what the takeaway is, right? Offer strategies, not just a bunch of stories, right? And don't just throw out a bunch of stories without giving the strategies. You got to have that balance, gang, right? Do bring the energy. Show up like you're an opening act or headliner. I always say a workshop is just like a mini keynote. Bring the energy. Move, smile, engage. If you're not excited about your session, why should anyone else be excited about your session? Bring the energy. Do interact early. Start off by asking a pointed question. Get a show of hands, a thumbs up. Tell a quick story early on. Make sure the audience feels like they're a part of the presentation. Do have a clear call to action. What do you want them to do when they leave your session? You know they want something. They want immediate takeaways. Give them a next step, even if it's small. Give them something. 2, the don'ts of K-12 conference speaking. Don't read from your slides, all right? If your slides have on full paragraphs, you're not giving a session. You're giving a bedtime story. That's what you're doing, right? Keep the slides as a visual and then use them to support, not carry your message. Don't wing it. Even if you're a natural speaker, prepping matters, all right? Know your flow, know your timing, know your transitions. You don't need to have a script, but you do need to have a plan on how you're going to move forward. Don't oversell yourself. Yes, you want to build your brand, but keep the sales pitch out of your session. Make sure you're sharing that value first. Then people will ask how to work with you if your value is good. Don't overstuff the session. Try to cover everything means they'll remember nothing. Teach less, impact more. I hate seeing people that just stuff it with a million things. Don't ignore the room. If the room is quiet, adjust. If they're interactive, you got to roll with it. So you have to pay attention to the energy and then you adapt to that energy. 3, some final tips for winning the conference stage in K-12. The best sessions feel like a conversation with purpose. So remember, you got to show up early, test your tech, bring handout slides or follow-ups, and always have backup. Respect the time. Start on time, end on time. Stay after to connect. You never know who's in the room. If you're stepping into the world of K-12 conferences, bring your A game, not just your slides. Speak with your heart, serve your audiences, solve a real problem. And hey, if you're ready to grow your speaking business and you want to get better at this, you already know what I'm going to say. The Within Our Ranks community is the place to be. We're here to help you speak, lead, and grow with purpose. So go to withinourranks.com to learn more. Please, if you are getting value out of this, like, comment, and then let me know what's the best or worst conference session that you've ever seen. Let's learn from each other on this one. Hey, my name's Stand Tall Steve. Thanks a lot. Take care.